So the other day we went camping overnight, and in the morning when we woke up, there was just a crazy commotion going on the other side of the river in a shallow area. And it took us a while to figure out what it was. And eventually, I thought it was maybe an otter or something, some kind of, muskrat or mink out there chasing minnows or something. But anyway, as you can tell, it ended up being carp, which we kind of figured that out. And anyway, we flew the drone up, and here's kind of what we saw. It's just crazy. I guess their eggs are adhesive, they stick to the vegetation, so the males chase the females around and they release their eggs, and they just float around and stick to the vegetation, and then they hatch from there and they're on their own. But I just thought it was pretty crazy to experience the first time. I'm not really a fan of carp unless it's bow fishing, or they're fun to reel in if you get them on a line, but other than that, they're kind of just destructive. They actually are very hard on these areas. You can tell just the mud that they're moving around there isn't real great, and they're just kind of like underwater hogs is what they are. They just kind of root around the bottom, and most lakes, they don't let them out into the marshes. They put a gate up or whatever so they can't get through, because they just wreck them. So anyway, enjoy this clip here. We got some close-ups, and just kind of interesting to see how this all went. Bad we don't have any audio, because they were splashing and making all kinds of crazy stuff, but with a drone that just doesn't work. So thanks for watching. God bless.